Lot number 157 is a 2006 E-450 Super Duty. This is a Bluebird handy bus. It appears to be missing parts, and parts look like they're loose in the engine compartment. I'll hit the key, all it does is a tick. Sounds like at the relay box. That's all I can get it to do. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical condition is unknown. Let me disconnect the battery. Mechanical condition is unknown. And yeah, it's being sold as is. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. The paint is faded. Tires look fair. The glass on the side door is broken. Paint looks faded and moldy. This may be good for parts. It's got the 6.0 liter with 80,000 miles. But mechanical condition is unknown. Tinted windows. It's missing the rear bumper, but I think I saw it inside. Rear corner is dented on both sides. Let me open this door and show you. The wheelchair lift has been dismantled and is sitting inside of the bus. And this does look like it's the rear bumper. Unknown if there's anything missing to mount it. It's only 2 seats in there for passengers. And the interior looks very dirty and moldy. This bus has been sitting for a long time, and then they pick parts off of them. All right, that's it. This one's being sold as a junk candidate. Mechanical condition is unknown. It's lot number 157. Good luck.